Hi everyone, I'm Shrey. By profession, I'm a data analyst and a marketing consultant. And yes, extremely passionate about gardening. We've been fortunate to have a lot of plants around us as we've grown up. And yes, we've been struggling with the right product to cater to our garden, be it in terms of pest, be it in terms of fruits, be it in terms of the general health and growth of the plant. Especially in the summer, I think it becomes extremely difficult to take good care of our plants. Avenger Urban Roots is one of the products we came across. We've been using it for close to 3 to 4 months now, and yes, we do see visibly increased life and health of the plant, especially when it comes to plants like hibiscus, where the budding and flowering is always a challenge, especially in dry conditions. We've seen that the flowering has increased visibly. We see great results in terms of the number of buds we see on the plants, the number of flowers, the general health of the flowers. Strongly recommend using Avenger Urban Roots for your plants. Definitely do try it out, see how the product really adapts, how your plants adapt to the product, and take a call accordingly. Thank you.